Google Chrome now lets you have vertical tabs like this. So if you want to enable this, here's how to do it. Since this is a new feature, the first step is to ensure we have the latest version of Chrome. So open Chrome and click on the three dots on the top right. Then click on Settings and here select About Chrome. And then it will check for updates. As you can see, an update is available. So if you have this option as well, just click on Relaunch and it's done. We have the latest version of Chrome. So now we can close this tab. And to enable vertical tabs, just right click on any tab on top and you'll find this option, Show Tabs Vertically. And you can see New is written next to it since this is a new feature which has been added. And now if I click on it, as you can see, all tabs have come vertically. So here we can see all the tabs. Then if you want to add new tabs, just click on the plus button and like this, we can add it. Then we can also go to any of the tabs from here. If you want to create a tab group, they've made it simpler since there's a button over here. Then select Create New Tab Group. And from here, we can create a tab group and then drag all the tabs that we want in this group. Then if you want to search for tabs, just click on this button and we can search for them from here. And the last thing to know is how to collapse it. So if you click on this icon, you can see it's now collapsed. So this is how it works. And if you want to get it back to the original view on top, you can right click here and select Show Tabs Horizontally. And they've come back on top the same way. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.